Good medical morning. This is Watson. In the past, we've covered trypophobia. Well, you love the topic, so we're going back to the fear of holes and spots. In particular, we're going to look at it in nature, specifically plants. Well, that's not too scary, right? Here's a particular trypophobia-inducing image that seems to get a lot of people riled up. Care to take a guess at what it is? That answer is coming up. As you look at some more trypophobia plants, please click subscribe, then click that bell so you don't miss any of our badass updates. Also, please click like. Our trypophobias always get a lot of dislikes from people who are rightly grossed out, but please counter that with a like. Here are a few more plants, such as this lotus pod. So what was our mystery image? It's the world's smallest flowering plant, Wolfia globosa. It's a species of flowering plant known by the common name Asian watermeal. It's native to Asia and is found in parts of the Americas where it may be native or naturalized. It grows in mats on the surface of calm, freshwater bodies such as ponds, lakes, and marshes. It's a very tiny, oval-shaped plant with no leaves, stems, or roots. The body of the plant, a transparent green frond, is less than a millimeter wide. Like other Wolfia, the plant is edible and makes a nutritious food. Yum. So comment below, did you have a trypophobic reaction during the video? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos every week. See you next time.
Just want to let you know that Meta 7 really does work like all these testimonials are saying, and it helped with my hair, it helped with my nail growth, and it could actually help you lose weight. So if you want to pick up yours today, go to the link below in Amazon and get it soon, and you're going to see all the results.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.